I'm going to make chicken curry using chicken breast. And so first thing first, I'm going to light up my gas. Already put up my sufuria with my onion. So I'm gonna fry this like the normal process we always use. Yeah. I'm gonna add in capsicum. And salt. When you add capsicum, onion, every time you add any ingredient, you make sure you salt. Or you stir. Yeah. So I'm gonna add also tomatoes. Instead, and then rice until it is a sauce. Let's simmer it for a few seconds. There we go. See, it's now a paste or a sauce. So I'm gonna add in my chicken. Today I'm not marinating it, just cooking it well. Make sure you mix it well. I'm gonna season it with leeky, leeky, cardamom, and then I'll add salt. And Royco. Add in little water, just to make sure that everything mixes. Add in water before adding our Royco. Simmer it. Yeah. That's my chicken. I'm gonna add in Royco. I'm gonna use 2 Royco cube. Remember, our coriander we will add last 30 seconds of our cooking. That's when we'll add our coriander. Make sure that we maintain the fresh aromatic flavor. It's almost ready. See, white meat. So at this point, guys, we are going to dice in our coriander. There we have it, guys. Quick one. Homemade, simple, nice and easy. Thank you guys for watching. Check me next. Make sure you catch up with me each and every Monday, Wednesday and Friday for weekly food inspirational videos. Tell me where you're watching from. Give me your thought in the comment section below. The yours truly and truly Jayuga. Bye bye. Have it, guys. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy. And make sure you catch up with me each and every Monday, Wednesday and Friday for weekly food inspirational videos. Tell me where you're watching from and tell me how you prepare your chicken curry.
Ini deadly, ini dangerous, maze ini mbaya, ini mbaya. Very delicious, delicate, delicacy, chicken curry, bread balls. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy.